So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So King Donia them wanna know say him and the Lion Man and a friend. So him have a field there with this situation with the Lion Man and her and him ex scene. So me are gonna make you hear what King Donia have to say. Slime a try defend the Lion Man, but that now go nowhere and King Donia now ease up. So we are gonna get in at that my people. Shay we don't know say Shay and the man post the things them on their website. Two of them a friend. And Shay is a person where she gonna give you her opinion on certain things. So I gonna make you hear what Shay have to say about the Lion Man my people. Don't know I miss it. You know what I mean? Cause boy, I tell you people, the Lion Man have the internet locked right now, a film internet. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, good or bad publicity, you know what I mean, still benefit TikTokers. You see me? I say cause you get your engagement and all these things, get gift, whatever. Alright, when you know say Dana the woman where reason out certain thing and point out all some things where we didn't even notice. You see me I say, so Dana and our people them have a discussion with people about the situation with the Lion Man and him ex. Boy, my people them take over the whole entire internet. It look like say Anna and Red Ants, the man them just plan for just take away the spotlight from them and just take it away completely. Cause we not see nothing about Anna and Red Ants. We know say them do the DNA test normally. You would be a big thing in the media. We not really see nothing go on with that. So them not getting too much traction. You understand me? I say, and people, it look like say Blamdem want take away the viral from the Lion Man and him woman. Blamdem show himself for people, so we could get in at that. We could get in at that, you know. So we have these things and more. As we go along, maybe we add more things, right? So we're gonna kick it off. I don't know if I forgot to mention other things we may have to share, but we're gonna kick it off right now.
Listen. If I come what they do to me, what I can say if they stop you?
Where is it?
Well, what I can say if they stop you?
Tiana go suck your man at Tiana. You know the internet stay now.
So where? I don't send me a send no picture.
How are you then?
They post it on my private story.
Oh. I'm taking it and sending it me.
So why they do that?
Must have your people them know.
You want to like you put somebody in the circle, man, but lead the circle, bro. You put somebody in the circle, lead. One girl is put in the circle where an accident doing ya.
Yes!
I fuck with that. I fuck with that doing ya. You feel a way.
Fuck with that dog.
What you know, long me I say reach out to the place. No, listen to me, Sticks. You see, even if me come leak or video them leak, me not go feel no way. Cause remember I said, a big good me have a like them.
Then again, bro, you know, I'm no batty on them. And now, two now going on you. Like Jayden.
Whoa!
Where's the boat? Weird. So, when you say tour, you mean the big tour? Big stuff! Oh, Bukla, Shiva, big tour, Jenny, Bati, Africa, Bati. Don't you this? Who did not try to go up and be? We are going to TikTok.
Six, come here. Look, me I go tell Dante, say, this is all you could choke, but we used to run like some choke, but it's all you could eat in choke and it's we don't need to stop. You know why? Me not have no problem with you, you know. But listen, if people them talk some things and people we say a joke, but a real thing we are going.
Real. Cause such man tell them like a joke, I'm gonna be for real. See, they expose them. Why? Big toe in a bottom. Big one level. But a big one level might allow both it, bro, but we done told it. Listen, we had laugh about it though, but we done told it if it drop it and traumatize the dog, you see me? So you have it? I moved to the fuck about the skin in the dog. What are you doing that? So you have the big dog on the Jayden party? No, sir! You can't! Mountain, big up, Juma! Mountain, Maria,
On the top, do that, dog. Every bumbuck like there, you know, I live on TikTok and name dog and bring with them, brother. On the go on, you. Bumbuck like dog. What do you mean by man a clean clothes, mad my youth? You know, go on, brother.
No, true.
You know, go on, youth.
No.
I don't like it, dog.
No.
I don't like it, youth.
No.
Damn, me have jacket too, bro, and a 6 alone, brother. Left for youth, them, brother.
No.
Go on, dog.
No, slime.
Tough.
True. Yeah, boy, Mr. Say, yeah, look out.
True. Down here, what go on?
Mr. Say, yeah, try like you want.
Down here, wait up on a long time, I don't see you.
No, listen. We here.
We hear a story.
Yes, I know we have to bring them.
No, the people them in the comment section, man.
Yeah, them now.
Right, man.
Why they don't want to talk about the topic of the town?
And them a bring down all frost, dog.
Why they don't want to talk about
bro.
it,
Them
bro?
down here, I mean, I like it, bro.
Why they don't want to tell us a big tour going on one another bottom?
Not again, down here. What you say on the internet? Down here. Come on, what you say on the internet, down here? Eh? Down here, let me tell you. You know what I'm going today?
Oh,
We got a tax service down here.
oh yeah.
Let me show you. Down here.
Yeah.
Oh, the way I down there, yeah, the bass drop. Me nice down, yo, down there.
No, learn us that. I learn that. No.
So me can't drive with it down there.
Yeah, them.
Front seat video!
Eh?
I have here one big lunatic for the car.
Me still need somebody side of me.
Yes, I need one sign Mark L for lunatic.
Luna say elf lunatic to us. Hey, them TikTokers are easy, you know. And so when me did buy my car, you know, I learned as me I drive all over the place with, you know, you want to see me? A whole boat, me alone, me and people, I be driving. You see me, I say, you know, when you're eager to drive, you have a machine for yourself and you're eager to drive. Yeah, man. Slime better go look alive, because them officer you know and play, them are going to tear him if I that him have. You see me, I say, because me know say him I go and drive without people, without a person will have a license in the vehicle with him. That if him I go buy a vehicle for choke, and them youth they fuck they lie. So, my people, me know what to think, because the lion man I had the idea, and him are the hot topic right now. You see what I say? So, they could listen what King Doe they want to say.
So me do sell back your car till me get the license.
No! You can't get big tour if we carry you.
I want them big tour.
Slime.
What go on?
Slime. What me here say, me just turn on my life to come here. Me just turn on my life to come here. Listen, Slime, listen. Nobody make me have this here, you know. Are your friend, but if that video they out, the whole on a good on in a one, and I mean,
YG, I know me. Yo, me never did that. Watch out. YG, me never did that, bro. Bro, me never did that. Watch out.
You want me to say Slime? Right now, I'm alone. Can't save you. So tell me what.
YG, you know say.
Tell you what you man.
You know say no want me talk, mama. Didn't know.
So what go on?
hear me I say. You see from a capper from a jogger to a jogger, bro.
Yes,
Me
yes.
never disrespect you, bro.
Yeah, but me ask you, me are your friend.
Yeah.
Good friend, but what go on me I say Batty and your mouth are sitting.
Bad man, I know my part that.
But me want to ask you did catch him?
Me
And
never
you
see.
Yeah?
Me never see. Me just get the one.
Got you all on no better.
I've seen Batty.
No.
Yeah, come chat. A slime.
No, I know. Got it just spill no better.
Got it.
First give triple
Slime no better.
Call got it.
No, call no man. Listen up.
Guys, there's so much time there, guys, and I can't tap the screen, guys.
So got it better.
Yo, YG.
No, got slime.
YG.
Slime.
Eh.
A serious thing this.
When I deal with some tappers.
Slime, you hear me?
Yeah, mama.
Me in the bathroom with a echo, so you can't say you not hear me. Batty and your mouth with you. Batty and your mouth with you.
Me don't know why everybody want to follow you so pops. Me don't know them a do it so. Me don't know.
No, you want Batty man, yo.
Eh?
You want Batty man. I'm gonna make Gatti this year. Gatti
Pops,
this year.
I'm really me hard this bro. Look out for you.
Me ask yourself, Batty and
You feel like say me can. Hold on. You feel like say me can dep on a life and a boy this all you. I'm no defender.
But no, it gone the wrong way now.
Pops, me I have similar lips, bro. Me is like twin, bro. So me have a pick up for your dog.
No.
No, bro. Watch out.
Over there. We not Batty over there.
No, we not do batty to it, bro. We not do that, bro.
Yo, Donna, wheeling. Me not involved. Me a jump. This him first got you.
Down here.
This
Slime, them say I want all white man to take care of you.
Got you, hold on. Down here.
I want all white man buy your 700
Got you, hold on, mom. Down here. What do you when pops come here? The water that just gone so all of a sudden. Talk it true. Eh?
What that mean?
I lick man, he lick dry so he pipe knows him and fuck up it. When me a try to say his, you can help him out. Down there as a real friend, you can help out you, you know. He man lip, no, 6, he man lip have Down syndrome, bro. Yo, bumbo clad, team rich, tap up a screenshot. Everybody power up.
Guys, power tap the screen there, guys. Everybody may have tap the screen there, chat.
Come on, my team.
Why in jump lifts? You think saying one can beat it over chat?
Where I do? Ask the people them on your side.
Chat, Rose, chat, Rose. So what?
Who are on the hop?
No most big toe in a bottom around the up.
No, I got this my dog, you know.
So what you do about that?
You know, got name out to no boy. Me say no, I got this my dog.
How then what?
No, I got this dog. What the fuck you know I do?
What? If
I'm a team rich, a team big, youth.
Whether we want to eat with mother or not.
If I'm a team rich, a team big, what the fuck you do down here? 6 I get cute though. Down here, don't fuck up, dog.
Or else what?
Fuck up.
You won't use big toe now on one another.
Big toe, me bumbo cloud.
So you use little toe?
No, bro, me not use nothing big, bro.
Yeah, there's something there. There's something we go with AIDS.
6. We are talking about experience, we know. We already know. We not really talk about that. 6. Just easy, you know. Chat, tap up the screen, please.
There's something we go with
6, we know 6. Easy, you know. Me build, brother.
We feel leave, we don't make you do whatever we want to do.
No, we are you need to do it, bro. But me want to tell you, 6 I get cute. I'm done now. I'm gonna tell you this. You see, unity, bro. Unity.
Strength.
The app need unity as a. Say back there, brother.
It's strength. How what?
Eh?
How what?
Diligent.
You got to now be careful now, no cabana.
What do we call banana?
Me no like cabana.
Yeah, see how long me I play down there? And you look for me and say slime, tap it. Me not tap it.
Me no know. So why you stop it and another person take it up, your friend take it up?
6 you know say me I don't have to get to there so. Team Rich tap up his heel, tell him to come down no man, bumper clad, man there too long man, fucking hell. Team Rich, shut up the live chat.
Yo, me here say I slime my first man up on TikTok.
Eh?
I mean,
Me say I first man up on TikTok.
The
Jamaica.
biggest give you was the big old man down there.
Hey people, this what I go on still, you know, me I telling you, you know, this now fears the lion man one bit, you know. Me I telling you that straight, you know. Him no give a F-U-C-K. You see me I say, him no give a F. You see it? This now fears him. As long as him there on TikTok and him and the man same way, this can't do him nothing. It can't do him nothing. You know what I mean? More than people laugh and joke about it, him himself a laugh and joke about it too. You see me? That's the only way. All when you feel some type of way, you know, you have to laugh and joke about the joke when they pan you know. If you don't make it look like say boy rare. But me feel like genuinely, naturally, him not feel no way about it. You see me I say? Cause that time character. You know what I mean? Boy, me don't know. Tell me people. Me know, this no fears him. This no fears him none at all. But you are going. We are going watch some more, my people.
What is that?
The biggest give was Goldmine, 1K.
I was gold man the entire time you're there.
Yeah.
He up to it now.
So we are trying to block my food.
Now you got Panama go eat too much food already. You can't get up a break.
And two time Team Rich, everybody pour it up. I'm big up my shooter them.
keep up all of my tappers, them guys.
You know, say boy eat for chew
Team
over
Rich,
there.
nah, big on up, you know. Don't I just know that. Team Rich, focus. Everybody pour it up, chop.
But chew.
Everybody pour. Let me see if me get no other team yet, though. Now.
How do we start the match. Share up your life, share up your life.
Tap up the screen there, chat. Everybody tap the screen there, chat. Chat, everybody power tap the screen there.
Tap up the screen for me, chat, please.
Chat, tap up the screen there. Please, may I beg you now.
I'm gonna send me 1 and 2 rows so me can get the cocaine.
You talk now, yo.
Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Don't rush me a bumbo clad. Don't rush me. And you want to come out of your mother pussy, don't rush me. I mean you bad. Me tell us that me never talk you when me want the life. Why you rush me to talk you over here, sir? Me not want to say nothing. Me not want to say nothing.
You know, I'm nothing for say pussy hole. I like
Alright, when you come off of them, I tell you, I'm going to hear about it on For You page. But me never nothing to say. You better you beg me say, come here, we talk here, so.
Come and talk here, some doing on me, bro.
So you understand that?
Come and talk here, some me bad, bro.
Alright, listen to me. You see people there who not love telling from the friend when the mouth stink. All the friend telling who no want blood clot vex about that. You idiot. Who don't want nobody telling us something not right about you know. And them the dirty style on a blood clot cover. 6, come here. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. 6. You know say DJ I want friend. Our mouth stink like a batty wall.
Bumbuckler.
In one time DJ tell the girl say our mouth. DJ never really tell her that, you know. DJ always give the girl gum. But she said she can't take it no more. So she take time and tell her, say,
Where the fuck y'all call? See DJ call there. Guys, rules!
DJ me tell her that tell me now upon the weekend. Because me never talk for Monday, never talk.
Chat, you could give me some rose chat. Guys, I know someone narrate me though, guys. Answer your phone, bro.
What is it? Bye.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about bro. Room 162.
Whoa! Bomber clot! Wheel him! Problematic! You're 26! You just say you fall off but right away. Use the gloves. You know long me a big lion.
Get one yes, me get two yesterday.
That are yesterday. Look on my score, look on fear. 179. Guys, somebody send me a lion number, me feel good, Pops I call you. Pops can't call me.
Guys, you know something a big man thing always make don't feel like saying can style me.
Then ever they happen. You don't have no smoke. But tell me we go look at 4-way match, I fall off. Book a room, Janko, 130, 187.
Don't feel like him a smarty, don't have body.
Somebody. And you can't accept Nicki Minaj know me, because she have to know me. She come on my life multiple times. Only thing she don't send me no gift. So she know say a Cardi B, me say. But she can look at me. So ask me if me have somebody. You are somebody? Nicki Minaj know you? Thank you.
Yeah, boy, like keep blood clot, Nicki Minaj know me and she don't know me. Tomorrow me get up, me now go dead for hungry, me have to come live, come beg. So what if Nicki Minaj know me and she don't know me, now if you come live tomorrow, come beg, me now beg tomorrow, hungry, go kill me.
Yeah. The people them must say add Pops. Listen, Pops want come talk about Ashley Bottom with Jayden tongue. Me not the father.
Pops can't come here to show, bro.
Yeah.
Come chat about people, bumbucker.
Yeah, tell Pops if we go find content. Tell Pops if we go publishing music.
The music we want mix good.
Tell him if we go promoting music. Alright, 6 where we add him. And then we'll tell him. And then make him jump. Come. We'll tell him say that. You're here when he come but when they?
Add him, bro.
Me not see him. You know the life. Probably in a box you want to come.
In the life, man.
So me not see him. Like me not follow him on the page. Add him.
Boy, like on him backup page.
Oh, me not follow that. My foot a happen.
You fucker, yeah.
King Donor, hold on. Yo, 6 TV.
Go look at work, John Crow.
Maybe go look at work.
Don't pick me up.
Yeah, I don't wanna hear that.
This 6 brother. Stop this man, bro. You know you're sabati on your mouth.
Him, you have to tell him.
No. 6, hold on. I don't have nobody this no man.
Me nah on this 6.
Why you what?
6 this me.
Go now.
Pops!
Yo.
You hear me?
Me just a call you. Pan got your phone, got it. Me a see say you know you're sabati on your mouth. Me don't know.
Listen me, Pops!
A Jayden if you talk about.
Pops!
Listen man, Pops.
You hear me?
So 6, what happened? Listen the man I say you have bumbo clan here, boy.
You hear me, Pops?
Hey, it look to me like Donia not even really in a Pops all walk one, you know. In a Pops to that, you know. And what day your Pops and the whole of them die me hard. So him not really in a him. But I don't know, them relationship, them friendship, strange people. You know what I mean? Cause I just the other day YG die me hard. You see me I say with the rest of man them. I hear man I say him fi go mix him song them good and re. So we could hear where them a say about the Lion Man. But the Lion Man take over the internet with people. I feel internet right now.
Yo, add Mountain. How me can find Mountain? Tell Mountain say me have money for him because I want to see video.
Yeah, hear me, Pops?
And then if you want to see Pops,
No,
Pops,
no, no.
say if you come down to
Pops!
yeah. Pops, you know say you need to come down. Yeah.
Why you not telling people them say to go up on your page and run up your song? Try to promote your music.
No. This big on his son.
Listen.
This big on his son. This big on his son.
Alright, 6, come on.
Big on, I left the place, Pops.
Since bottom business big on your song.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you have to know what you have power on, you know. Because if you most say people bottom business bigger than his song. Alright, here what I'm going to do, chat. Here what I'm going to do. So me song in the book, you know.
What that?
Me song in the book, yeah, bro. Me song in the book, yeah.
I cannot.
Eh?
Show me your talent.
6. Alright, listen me.
Show me your talent.
No, listen me, dog.
Yo, Bumbo Clap Pops and stop sending me requests. Guys, I want to take a look of vacation there. I have no money.
Guys, me now sing my song over here. Me I go make sure so me go in the studio and it done how long now. Me have this song in this book I'm on amount now. I say me now come over here come sing. Me I wait till
Yo, Pops, so that kill me with the request, dog.
what do you call it make you need help?
Yeah.
Some it's black cock you want. That you want call you want some good Jamaican wood. In some hard back shot you want. You talk about you need help. That you want. One of me AC then.
Yeah.
For speaking how I feel and go have an expert and do all of the things I want to do. I could care zero. I'm going to speak the truth all the time. And if I feel like Jayden is wrong, I'm going to say Jayden is wrong. And if I feel like Fabi is wrong, I'm going to say Fabi is wrong. And if I feel like Ashley is wrong, we're going to say that. I want to pick on the blood clot, otherwise they come in our back down.
Big B, up to now, the only picture where we sure say is somebody will post a Jayden because I him go post Ashley private part. But all other people, we don't know who post them. We just assume. We don't know. So, you know must I say when me I say, me no must I say when you I say, because we only assume. But the one
And that means but my thing is, straight out of the gate, him must say, him never have them the picture there, and Fabi never this, and Fabi, so why everybody are run with Fabi?
You know me here Jayden I say, let me tell you one screen record when me see with Jayden. Jayden say, you tell me which one me can go post and show no actually ugly.
Exactly. Like, come on, I'm not the man. I know me not pick up anybody in the middle for a reason.
I don't know why me show a brown sitting where I run out of party now.
Okay. Come on, man.
This morning.
Come on.
That I first screen record me see this morning.
Come on. Me not pick up anybody. Me tell you already, me not put up one and put down the other. But what I'm saying is we have reason ability. If the man say the girl never have no access to them, him never see it and all of that, or never see a she, and if I him and Ashley in the bed, right? And after them done, come in and see the video they were share make nice, you know. Me just see one time him a jump like upscotch or where you call the look a green sitting there. Grasshopper. Yes. When you way up top, me just see when you way up top and me say but one time big man thing. When man do them position then them have to dip under.
Yeah,
but him the on top. I mean, not judge him. Me not judge him. But what I am saying. If he is saying that that young woman never have no access to that, so oh no, I say she do it. Come on, bro. Come on. Ashley and Jayden, I go back and forth. On the run, we better for the run with that and a run with nothing at all.
No, but why the people them are run with it, Big B? Because Jayden say I want out I two of them posts. They gonna look for his screen record and show
him say that, but him say other things to mother.
You understand? And
him say that, but him say other things too.
Like that he said this morning, say I want out I two of them posts. So you see when you see people them will hear that the screen record them are gonna say a Fabi and them are gonna say a Ashley. But then now I'm going to say him to an inside. So when Ashley talk and the people that will believe Ashley now, they're going to say a Fabi or Jayden. So that now make we get more complicated like where that's been like again.
And Brina, me ask a question. I don't know if I'm going to get it right, Baba.
Alright, my people. So more and more me hear people I say the man they too far up in the ear for inna the PUSSY inna the video where ma inna, you know what I mean, him a do him thing. And people, me not like still, you know, he look away, you know, that look very, very suspect, you know. He look like say I inna the wrong door the man go, you know. Yeah man, cause him they way up there, so you can't way up there, so and a stroke the V. No man, at the B look like say the man did it, boy, me not judge him still, you know, but you know what I mean, he look suspect. And the people them a see it and them a talk because only one woman me hear I say, no, him no in no re. You see me I say, and then Ashley come out you know and say the man in a R re in a RB. You know what I mean? So I want to tell more what I think my people because it look away. You know what I mean? The video look away and the strokes them look away. You understand me? Boy, me not lie. The dog come. And that's why me I tell you, people, you see man and woman is when them in a relationship and lock up in their room and I do them thing. Them do all different type of thing, Me I tell you, You understand me? Make me know what I think, yeah, man, because she don't start. Make me listen to that and them some more.
Answer. When Fabi and Jayden think was what the Ashley that rejoice and Ashley make her video them. Ashley start talk. But Ashley tried to make it seem like Fabi people them been did that trouble her. But what would Fabi people them have to trouble her if Fabi and Jayden together? I don't understand the part there. And everybody fooling the people, and some people really look into things.
That's why I love Big B, but you know.
Some people really look into things. So when Missy she come out with that video, they even me that said, boy, Ashley not gonna make you rest. As soon as something happen with Fabi and Jayden, here she go. And so come Fabi, Ashley and Jayden start to back again.
No, hold on. Me I do some ivany work. Me I do some
Ashley
work.
from my timeline. The Ashley from my timeline. So I want to go on Ashley Monday.
Ashley Monday, Amsterdam.
Yeah, I say Ashley Monday.
Ashley Monday, I know.
Yeah, look at me see video this morning.
Listen. Alright, she wasn't rejoicing, but to make a video and say, oh, you get them is how you lose them. And truth to be told, Fabi never take with Jayden from Ashley. Jayden wanted to leave Ashley. So to stop it.
Jayden didn't have a plan long time.
Exactly. So when no one tell me say, oh, she ain't a rejoice lady. What? And how did that girl never take with Jayden? Jayden left Ashley. From when she said she lock up in her room and not get none for eat her, all of them say, hey, on a naive bad.
Bad.
On a delusional bad. Me not living on a delusional world. I ain't the Lulu. I'm not. Hey, when time me left off of this, because swing on the shot, I'm going to sleep. Because that's my life.
Got out of my bed.
And did you don't know me? And did you do not know me? You don't know me. Well, I'm not going to run around and defend people. You cannot do it. You cannot do it.
The truth that's turning on the face, man. You just start out and call it.
Yeah.
Let's no conscience for the
Them love people tell lie to them, Mr. Mother. I mean, I'm not nobody just lie to me like me liars. Me lie hard.
You're gonna cover up for the man. You're gonna cover up for him. I'm not hearing nobody talk about the batty business.
The back door, boss.
Well, Mama set up shop, them can laugh after each other. They can laugh after each other. They were both taking the same man at the same time. So, Fabi, I still not take it serious because Fabi did over lie a laugh after all of them. Fabi did over lie a laugh after the whole of them while everybody going crazy. The media was in a frenzy and Fabi was laughing at them. When they look at me, I laugh too. I laugh too because him not take it serious. I don't know why we're going to take it serious. The young man say him named Brush Boss. Oh, so why we not call him Brush Boss and laugh? Why we not call him Brush Boss if it's sad? To you sad? The man say him a Brush Boss and that we are work with. Brush Boss. One Brush Boss across the board.
One backdoor boss.
One backdoor boss.
One backdoor boss. I love it. Me, I feel love it because me, I feel love it. Yeah, I have to love it. I have to. You know why I have to love it? You know why I have to love it? Brina, I have to love it because what I said when the original something happened, that the man was running me down to cover up his own batty business. And it had come out to as his own batty business he was trying to cover up. So I have to love it.
But let me ask you another question. So me come here, me make sure me telling us that me's a criminal. We go hard for my family, so I don't believe. So when I go for go dig up my file now for go release it by the media, I want to see when I go say. What's that in a story? Because I don't tell you no blood clot ready. We don't believe when people tell you. A man sit down every day and say, "Want suck a dick and laugh off." Which straight man I do that? Oh no, come on, man. I like him, but this is what he says. Oh no, want me to act like me not hear him. Me hear him. And I accepted him for what he said, so why we can't talk about it? Say that so she didn't want to put the makeup. You accept me. Me and him I see him thing. Me not do them thing there. Yeah, listen. She don't want to do it for sure. Because she freaky. Don't me shake my head. On the one she talks in boom, me not for sure. Me not tell her the truth. She did put it. She didn't want to put the makeup brush in there. I never. Make you have that. Make you have that blood.
So all you want to see having them kind of conversation here.
Exactly what I what? I know you come and say she didn't want to do it. Why would you want me to believe what? Like blood clot.
On which straight man I got to sit down and have them topic there. You ever have a topic like that with your man, auntie?
All right. But what reason, right?
All right. So I said she put it in there. You know, I say she did want put it in there, but make she put it in there. So where that I do in uno thing one I do, where that I do this so that not supposed to then know where they saw. You see me I say the boy people, some things when them youth are going within a bedroom, right now. If the lion man come out and say my body man, me not go surprise. Big woman thing. Me not go surprise people. You understand? Although everybody can live the life what they want to live still, but you know what I mean, certain things Jamaicans go for, so they might go have you half away. But you know what I mean, when him come say she did want put it in there, but him no make she put it in there, and then she say she put it in there. She said she put it in there first, It look like say something like that go on for real. But tell me the opinion, we watch some more.
The rank of them on the app, right? Look on Gage, because Gage wrong. When you ever see Gage around them conversation with none of them?
Never.
Alright, look on Alex. When you ever see Alex around them joke there? Okay. Even TJ women are like. No. And go all the set of people want to see I do it is for them crew and Deverell. Deverell now for everything saying we skin out for your lion. And him do it. Exactly, Rocky. Like what?
Thank you.
It's either you're going to believe what he says or you don't believe what he says.
Okay.
I said she was rushing there, but they had to say
So,
Ashley said put in there, I didn't say no, make him put in there. That means some
but
brush.
he didn't want to put it in there.
Some brush topic,
Yeah,
what's going on?
she put it. Him say he shouldn't put it, but she didn't want to put it. How
So
come
some
the
topic was
conversation they are
going
going in the bedroom? If you're
Yeah,
not into that, if you're not
Vicky.
into that, she would have never brought that in the bedroom for someone
Okay.
to put it in there.
Thank
But the
you.
things that people are idiot, man.
Exactly that. Big B, you ever have them topic there in your bedroom before?
Daddy don't even ask me a question like that.
Okay.
Any
Here you
man
go.
come tell me say they want to fuck me, I'm about to them, man.
Thank you.
I'm not going to want them after that.
Right there, so. Right there, so.
For me,
That's
back
what-
if we go to the bathroom. Not
Okay.
man play up in a one, two, no.
Okay.
Nice.
So when the people them used to beat me and say, oh, you're that trans, you have to go over there, and the man is that into this thing and they all them something there like me that I look the man. But the man was only bringing me
Oh
down
my
because
God,
when
clearly he
cover his
was
own
into those
body
things
business.
because he find a way for call it over the air.
Okay.
I want to them people, I want to just to stop him, man. Yes, only can say Dolly have a vendetta, but that young man used to call Dolly. They knew how to get to Dolly.
Okay.
They knew how to get to her for her to come to them.
Okay. Okay. Right, that's all. TikTok is not a safe place, you know?
Me not see no other straight man I call Dolly for come shoot for them.
Oh.
I don't see them. That's questionable. And them know say Dolly is a transmission. She don't hide it.
He know about it. He know about it.
The whole world did
Come and
know.
talk about it.
And when time the money done run and go click life and carry down the woman.
Okay. The day when he come bring me down, come see me, I shoot for one next person and I shoot against him and he start cuss. From that day,
yeah, so that then though, when they shoot against him, it's a murder. For the money now, you working money for him.
Oh, murder.
Monster.
That's so nice.
And them say Emily was telling Fabi that Jayden is her ex. Murder.
Jayden say him to drop the video to her. What? Me say, me an idiot. Me a pick and choose me want to believe because this minute he say yes and next minute he say no. So I make people can say yes and no to him too. If this minute he say yes and the next minute he say no, why me can't say yes this minute and no next minute?
You can't have your, we say your own opinion. But him can't
They
change.
can't have me up all them want. I love to be up. Have me up because I love to be up. I love to be up. Have me up. Don't have me down.
Jayden can't change him out 1 million times and then I have a problem.
Right, but you never change your mind. You never change your mind. If you just stuck on one thing. But now that everybody knows that me and the mother we are going to tell the truth. If me pitney bad, me I tell us me pitney bad. If me pitney bad, me I tell us I'm bad. If my G man, me I tell us I'm a G man. If my B man, me I tell us I'm a B man. No secrets here. No secrets here. Because then I will nothing against Big B. Not one fuck thing in the world against my sorry mother. No, my love, me not up in another
Like him and God. Like him is Jehovah Jireh.
Anything they say, in my word.
I want next thing when me not like I went there, I'm gonna do things to people and if them laugh after one on cause them boss on it like what? That is disgusting. That is disgusting.
What are people money?
Exactly.
People fucking money and seem like how people bumble clock everything over here. So what is that? Anything you want. Anything you want, do.
But you know when me go there always say what goes up must come down.
Let me tell you
the same way you go up, the fastest you go slowly.
Anything you want, do for me on TikTok. I don't want to talk about it that a phone no blood clap. This is when you don't do it already. I don't get the money. I don't do what I do already. So no lucky.
I never did nothing for nobody on TikTok.
All
I ain't gonna do nothing for nobody on TikTok. I'm gonna want to praises from nobody. I'm gonna go see and cuss them and tell them no. Sometimes I not even want. Sometimes we could give for no. But me stop give.
Anybody when me beg or anybody will do nothing for me. And any single body will do nothing for me over TikTok. I'm calling and beg I'm texting and beg I don't want to talk about it. That's a full business. That is not my business. Tomorrow morning, 5 days now, I have a job. So tomorrow morning, I come back. So if I talk about Jayden and get gift, I go talk about him and get gift. If I talk about Fabi and get gift, so everybody talk about people and get clothes. So not me get clothes.
What time Blamdem say?
No, but you don't take tea from people and then come bring them down and class them like that.
Yeah, I want time my dad.
I'm mad me I do Ivany work and I can't get through. I come off for the internet. I don't know.
Yes, I look for Vybz.
From morning, me I do Bob the Builder.
Oh, hey. Chief of Jayden then not done, so we have to stop. If we not stop them, they're gonna keep going. Cause what else them at talk about? They might change the story again.
That's all him know.
Mother, they say Jayden over there talk again.
Remember what I said this morning, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna say something else I know. May we hear?
Remember what I said.
Yeah, that's what it is. They gonna keep it going for the attention and the trending. If something else happens for somebody, it's not gonna come again.
So you see, when you tell a lie, you have to remember your lie, you know? You have to remember your lie.
That's why I can't tell a lie.
Okay.
And by the way, we're gonna talk me like them big lip here.
You have to remember the lie, them.
I ain't over mountain. Him saying him in the video, LOL, SMH, whatever.
Like people stupid. Oh, you know what he's saying is not in the video now because they know a backdoor the video go on.
Right, so why anybody can see him?
You is a backdoor.
Alright, people, wanna tell me if you feel like say the Lion Man love this one go on because him gone viral and him have more people that watch him and them something. They tell me if you feel like say him love this one go on.
Because he will keep bring them down. Bro, shut up, bro. Shut bro. What now?
Man and just move the fuck on. Life goes on. Uno life no revolve around a woman. You understand? So just move on. You don't have to leak out nobody body parts and something there. So me say the same thing yesterday. Say really and truly now, ladies, like you just need to start keeping the body parts to yourself. If anybody wants soon in person,
but
sometimes
somebody even on a video calling and them screen recording.
That is why I say not even that them for do no more. Stop do that. Wanna stop video call and not to show them nothing. Them dirty man. Sometimes we have to do something flex. It's not only the people our enemy, you know. You know, so the people who lick with head with fancy and pill our enemy too.
Yeah, man. Okay. Them are our biggest enemy, brother.
And them our biggest enemy. Yeah, man. So I can't tell you now. You know, take nothing for your man expose you, bro. No, stop when you meet a person, you meet a person. If I saw. Because normally niggas see
go, brother. But sometimes
them that like one man that said, show me a rare, you know, want to show them.
Them just say, oh, me now wait so long because foreign you live or you live this or me can't bother with that or you're not entertaining me. Well, if I stop the case, go and wanna go then. Leave the girl.
A waste man and waste girl expose them partner picture when them left, brother. For me left. Me no need.
I don't know where them get that. Me said Jayden, me don't know where Jamaicans get them type of blood clot time. Wanna get them style from. Me never hear the African them are expose them each other. Me never hear the Congolese them are expose them. Me never hear them the type of culture they are work expose each other. And Jamaicans alone. Uno disgusting, bro. For real, man. Uno fucked up, man.
I mean, hear it on the live, brother, when she said, yo, the dog. I said, then, how this come out of Ashley mouth? But me never know, say, that happening, you see me?
Yeah, because she has said she do everything, because people are cuss her say, her whole shit up, and she say, yes. If you say my whole shit up, it's shit up. Me do everything, me do backdoor, me do everything. She just crash out on the internet. Because obviously, people are pressure. That is peer pressure enough, like.
Yeah, and them people.
Everybody thank you. That is pressuring. But them she just crash out and say, yes, he make me do everything. He make give my back door. So, you know, it is what it is. It's just part of life. Yeah, and she said, she just crash out on the internet because she cannot manage it. She's not mentally strong. It's not everybody who gets exposed, them are go strong in their mind.
I tell you this. That's why sometimes you see someone left a woman enough. They run back for the woman because so the woman open mind to serve. That's what you want. You understand?
Right.
So that's a job back for you.
Right. Dear Ashley, we are talking about mama.
Yo.
All of the channel where she said she been in Mobila.
Jayden. She bend him up or him to bend her up?
She bend him up.
Top of his claim chat, you know, blood clot mix up too much and say what can say. She bend him up?
That she said.
And what?
Put him on direction.
East, west, north and south.
This a big army. She. A man bend up, woman, me not understand how she bend him up.
You not tell nothing for Benny.
You not tell nothing for Benny, Mo.
Oh. You know what me tell you this? If a man make a woman do certain things, my body boy, you know. My woman can't bend me up, but me bend up woman in a position. You know you're a good queen, man. You know you're
Alia, that you said for true, me hear it. Alia, big up his son. Watch your screen call. Get back active, so she bend him up all different type of way.
Sideways, forward, up, down.
3 roads shot, you know, blood clot mix up too much. 3 roads. 3 roads.
Making many knees and touching.
She said she gave him 2 or 2, you know.
She gave him
No, like she put her 2 in her bottom. Yeah, she said makeup brush on her toe.
That's why when you come over here with your father, I tell you, say, you know.
Hey, hey, my people, some whole heap of things look like it go on in that bedroom there with the lion man and the woman, you know. Yeah, man, some whole heap of things. Yo, me I tell you something, man. Never you make a girl bend you up. You bend up a girl. You see me, I say them girl are them free, you know. And me I tell you something. Never make a girl lead you in a bedroom. You have to lead a girl there. You see me, I say, cause if a girl lead you, them a lead you right to the freakiest thing. You see me, I say, and you see, when a girl bend you up, that at the start of baptism. You see me, I say, anytime a girl bend you up, I start a baptism. You see me, I say, if there is such a word. Some people want to tell more the thing. It look like, say, the dog make the girl lead him in the bedroom. You see me, I say, and friend, he might admit some of the something them, it look like, say, boy, Ray. But don't forget, you know, my people, them girls are lying, and them come out anytime the man left and come try make the man look like the worst thing, you know. So now have to be careful how them I say.
Freaky yet. Mama tell us something. Sometimes we don't know people. Alright, we see somebody on the internet. I like how we see Flex right there, so. If Flex never talks same name pussy, no for we don't know.
No, if me never.
So we don't know what going on in people bedroom, so we cannot judge and say a lie or a true. We don't know. You know, some people are saying, oh, I don't believe her, a lie she a tell. When you don't know them, just put you one character on the internet, you don't know them. You don't know what them can do in them bedroom. You don't know the type of people them be in them. You don't know how kinky them be, you don't know.
So the woman now have to lie for herself?
You don't know how them be. We just come here and say, Ray, if me was not sodomite, you don't know about me neither. We don't come say, we don't even know if me name pussy or not. It's just so it go. People just come on the internet and just put on a face. So we don't know what going on in the bedroom. So all I want to talk about, I like Ashley tell. I like, I don't believe that Jayden no stay so. We don't know. You never sleep with him yet. Never have sex with him yet. Oh, you would know how king team be. You don't know. So me now go come and say a lie she tell Flex. I don't know what them doing in the bedroom. I don't know.
Yeah. Me not believe say woman for y'all put them tongue in a make ear. Me not believe that car. Me not believe say man to feel good in them ass, brother.
Any man want a woman touch them bottom on a body man.
Yeah,
now
brother.
they tell them that. Not even tongue for use. No woman
No, but me not believe, brother. Me not
man.
my woman can't tell me not like when my woman grab me for my ass, brother. Me not like them something there.
Nah, batty man. Any man who come talk about who me like when my woman slap up my bottom man, grab up.
I see uno woman out there where
batty man.
I do them the thing they told no man. I broke out the book man we got on. Straight batty man. He soon gone left when I got there with man.
Nah, them a batty man. Me and people talk about no, you don't have to be. But nah, batty man. Any woman on the see.
What's nah man?
One batty wash, una batty man.
When you put it back, somebody man of feel comfortable in them wearing, brother.
Somebody said me did have a ex, him a bad man, and him beat me through my door, make him go run a back. Batty man, you have mama. Your ex is the batty man.
They didn't suffer, they didn't hear what you said, devil
was him crush.
Over crush.
Jayden.
Oh, I want think devil name ever in a Batman thingy, man. And I tell me that they say man a Batman. He name ever call a Batman saga.
But you the man who didn't know say have a crush.
Yeah, that Ashley said Jayden and say devil a Jayden crush. Him first crush.
No to blood clotting.
Why we believe her? Because
one thing we can tell you say anything like dark must come to light.
That me know.
Must come to light.
That's so true, you know.
She bring down herself now the situation. That's why I believe her.
Yeah, you see the internet that queen it, and she it build you and kill you. You have strong for them on the internet.
Flex. Any woman where you see her bring down themselves in the situation why them a bring down you, me believe them. Because she bring down herself too.
Bring on herself, man. She say I need a whole heap of things.
She say a whole heap of things, me do. A whole heap of nastiness, me do. I do a lot of stuff. The back door, if you don't want to say my old shit up, my old shit up. Listen to
and say everybody will fuck after that old shit up too.
Yeah, she say everybody will fuck after that old shit up too. Because you not say my old shit up because me come and tell you where I'm like. Where's all of we old shit up? Go on active by your
face. Make sure I tell you. She's from Europe. She's from Netherlands. They don't care about nothing like that. Because say then shame her. No, these people now no shame about them something. Them something over Europe brawling. So she not.
That she say. She said I am from the Netherlands.
Right.
So I don't care if you all want to put me out there. Put me out there again. Because these people I live here and I know that these people don't care. Nobody care about anything being exposed.
But no visible.
A true flex, but no visible about that.
What was his mindset? This a big topic, this, you know?
A true, no visible that.
That means that she gonna have a video with him and soon leak it then.
I don't think she's a leaker.
I don't think she did that.
Unless
Him really do our dirty. He's already below the belt. Me not think should I do it. Maybe should crash out, should I put him out. Right. Because thank you everybody, big up on yourself. I'ma thank you, Savage, thank you, Nessa. Everybody who tap the screen and send gifts, big up on yourself. Thank you. Yeah. I don't feel like she stays so do flex. I don't feel like she stays so. And
oh, she look on the picture. She look attractive.
You go and go low, man. I say nothing.
She don't look hot like you when you're out here.
I don't know. You go and go look.
They say they have a mountain. What mountain are you easy to you know? Oh, it takes so long.
In my one.
Oh, it takes so long to put out my video when we give. Oh, it takes so long to put out my video.
Yeah, give a video.
Yeah, me give my video. We put it out with me. After people have put out themselves to go viral.
Right.
So me give my video we put out. Isn't it? Because people are going to say, so flex it bad.
Alright, my people, let me know what they think. We are going over Blamdem now, because, you know, the lion man, I feel him internet right here now. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I feel him there, you know, feel him weak. You see me, I say? So, I want to tell me what they think, because a whole heap of things they look like, say, him and Ash go on with Ina the bedroom, you know, my people. And she, I come reveal everything. And him saying that, like, yeah man, some of them something they it almost man them way they that I sure say she not really tell no lie like that. You know what I mean? She thought what what really go on.
You get up here promote match like I feel like say and so many never look for your big idiot boy. And I come back here look. You go slave till the blue. You go slave till the blue.
How the man deal?
You go slave till the blue and you still now with
me. Yeah, man, how the man deal? Say, dear man.
Me a chatting. Rose.
Yeah,
I mean, I'm chatting. Batty boy.
I mean, I'm chatting.
Now in a match, batty boy. Yeah, waste man, batty boy. But name out the mother them. You look a big dirty thing. Yeah, them and a waste man in the dark.
True.
Bad man believe rate of that. Bad man, them in a real waste man, bad man.
You gonna be there for Easter, NJ?
Bro, Rosealee. Every day man get up, man match.
Blamdem, what are the Blamdem? Why you kill him so Blamdem?
Yes, that them little batty boy forget take down, them boy are batty.
NJ, you got Well, I can meet you then.
No, with a bumbuck. How much day me not come live? 1, 2, 3, yeah man, after then
Blamdem, hold on, man, you kill him for him too much, man. Hold on, Blam. Hold on, go shoot a one-on-one. You shoot a one-on-one, Rose.
No, me not going to none of my cloth. I'm out to the mama. I don't love cloth too much. When me couldn't want, all I know I run on my cloth. When you can't allow me the cloth off of me. When you allow me my cloth now, you amount of man want to do me things for my cloth. I whole world off of me for my cloth, you know. So I couldn't want to run in pan. Nobody can run in pan my cloth. When you look at John Crown, near out to the mama. Your time soon, My time soon. Well, me there wait for my time, but me not see it. What I say now? They're gonna waste man still not there, but they no slung worry about me, bro. Now worry about me and no life as spoiled. Yo, turn on the AC there, dog. Cause right now I'm acting now. Come here acting now. What is it? You know that? What's up? They're gonna waste man, bad man. Watch you know. Look how all I know war for running up and me just there so calm say that. Not even run down TikTok. All I know run down for running up. Me not want running up, you know. Me just want to know so me happy now. Me can go live and people can watch me. Me no need to run no up. So all who run down for running up, the man God can work out that. No me and them. The man God can work out them running the up. No me and them. No me and them. The man God. The man God go work. Me no need to running up. Me just want to know say. Me can go live and people can watch me. And me running up and me happy, you know? I'm not busy about no man. More life, yeah man, big up yourself in the DJ Rick Ross. Look at dirty Jamaican people don't like me. You have to go once to me car. Boy, I don't know. You have to go. I best if you just go. go commit when name there. I don't want to say word because I don't want to get banana. Where the barbz them there, then they want a big dancehall artist that do music much or long much here and can't have Nicki Minaj in a song. Ain't you not smarty man? I don't think no bumbo cloth and the song I worry about me. But look out to no so a big thinking mama. On the big and think and careless of bumbo cloth. Tell that for that phone. On the big dirty careless Jamaican people. Well,
Jump so true.
play